Children, today want to start chapter 1 in English literature. This is of class 10th. This is chapter 1 given in the textbook Flight, the first flight. In this chapter, there is the story of a poor farmer. This farmer's name is Lencho. He is living in a small village, having a small piece of land. By working in this small piece of land, he nurtures his family. His family is engaged in the work of farming. Once his crop is about to ripe, everything is ready, but suddenly it happens that there are dark clouds in the sky. At once, the hailstorms, thunder, and heavy rain occurs. There is a water everywhere. Now Lencho is very upset because his whole crop has spoiled. Now he has nothing to grow his field again. His all money has been wasted. Now his family is about to die of hunger. Now he is the true devotee of God. He thinks to take help from God as he has deep faith in Him. In this hope, he writes a letter to God. In this letter, he has written that he wants 100 pesos from God by which he can grow his crops again and nurture his family. In this hope, he writes this letter, goes to post it in the letter box, and comes back. Next day, the postman takes out all the letters from the letter box, and he is very surprised because in the letter, a letter to God was written, and the address of the God was also written belonging to heaven. He shocked too much. He had shown this letter to the postmaster. The postmaster made a lot of fun, laughed loudly. Then he thought at last that he should help this poor man, as he did not want to shake his faith in God. Now he started collecting the money from his colleagues, and he collected 70 pesos. Next day he packed these pesos in an envelope and sent to the address of Lencho. Lencho became very happy. He counted the pesos, but they were only 70, while he wanted hundreds. Now he shocked too much. He had deep faith in God. He thought that God cannot cheat him. Now this is the act of the office bearers of the post office. So he went to his room. Again he had written another letter, and in this letter he has written that whenever he sent the letter to the God, his money should not be sent by the post office, because the people working in the post office are very dishonest and they take out the money. Thus, it happened that this Lencho had deep faith in God, and he thought that God was really helping him, but it was not so. It was only his feelings that he had attached with the God. Now the children, the theme of this story is that while you have faith in God, keep it as your intimation, but try to work according to you, and don't make anyone calling as cheater or dishonest.